So I was recently talking to a client of mine, and for whatever reason, their emails, their workflows were not firing at the correct time. It was off by an hour, and they couldn't figure out what's going on. So I told them that they probably needed to update their time zone setting, and they didn't know where it was. And so they ended up going to watch a YouTube video, and they just couldn't figure it out. And so that's what this video is. I'm going to show you how to fix your time zone setting, and it's really easy. So let's jump right into it. All right, so we are in my demo account, and getting to your time zone setting is really easy. So all you need to do is go to settings down here at the bottom, and then it's going to take you to your business profile. That's usually the first thing that you're going to get to when you go to your settings, and that's exactly where you need to be. Then you come over here to the right under business physical address, scroll down. There it is. There's your time zone setting. And so right now mine is set to America, New York. It should probably be set to Eastern time. So here we go, US Eastern, and then click update. And that is all that you need to do. And now with your time zone set correctly, your emails are going to fire at the right time. Your SMS messages are going to send at the correct time. Your workflows are going to work at the time that you think they're going to work, and everything is going to be set. And then you can also make sure that your time zone is set correctly in your profile as well. So if you go to My Staff, and then you go to your account, we'll click on this demo user, go into their account, and then we'll go under user availability. And then you want to make sure that your personal time zone is set correctly here under time zone as well. This will make sure all your calendars are being set as far as your availability and booking times are set to the correct time zone that you are living in. And this is especially important if your business time zone is different from your personal time zone. So like if you have employees that work in other locations and are remote, they would want to make sure that their time zone is set correctly in here in order for their booking calendars and emails to be sent out at the correct time. So that is that. And that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this on how to use HighLevel and other tech tools in your business. And if you are someone who is struggling with their tech tools, check out my automation audit. For $50, I will take a deep dive into all the tools that you're using, look at where the gaps are, show you how you can fill those gaps with automation that is really easy to implement, and also show you ways that you can really grow and scale your business with ease. So if that's something that looks valuable to you, check out the link in the description below, and I'd love to get that set up for you and going. But that is all I have for now. And until next time, grace and peace.